This is an extendable wagon by Max Sports. It's a WTCX. Right now it's folded up. And it stays in place because it has this little latch right here. So let's unhook it. I'll extend it and show you how it looks and some of the features it has. So I unhooked it from the latch, and you could see my daughter was able to open it up, so it's easy to open. So it has some heavy duty rubber tires. They're solid rubber. It has this handle here which locks in place. So all you have to do is push this red button right here and it opens up. And to extend this, it's just this switch. So you turn it and it locks in place. It has two cup holders in the front. It's black and gray, which is nice. It's a nice material. It has a little bit of padding inside. And it has a big old mesh net in the back to put anything, you want to carry. A solid metal frame. It has this here right here in the middle if you want to fold it. All you have to do is just pull it up and it folds in place. There you have it. And to open it back up, just stretch it out. Perfect. It's really long. You could fit a canopy in there. And its box and its cover. Really nice wagon by Max Sports.